Hello guys, I'm in J.K guys. I'm in J.K now. I'll be taking you guys along this J.K Okigwe Park. So guys, this is J.K going down to Okigwe Park. So guys, this is the filling station at J.K. So guys, I'm going down to Okigwe and I will show you how this place look like now. So if it's your first time to see my channel, don't forget to like, share, and please comment. Thank you and subscribe. Let me take you on this vlogging video. Let's go guys. So guys, I'm at Okigwe Park roundabout, the junction that lead to Tetlo, the junction that lead to Wedra, and also go down to Bank Road. This is the roundabout here at Okigwe Park, the old Okigwe Garden Park. So this is the road going to, you can cross over here to Wedra Road. You can follow this side down to Tetlo. You can also follow this here down to Bank Road. This one now lead to Bank Road. If you're going down here now, you're going down to Bank Road. So guys, thank you for watching, and thank you, and see you in my next video. I love you guys. One love, peace out, stay cool, God bless you. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. One love.